Good morning, Junior 2. Today we have lesson 9, which is called Forms of Water. Forms of water. Water exists in 3 forms. Water exists in 3 forms. We have how many forms of water? 3. We have how many forms of water? 3. Junior 2, now I will ask you, when you open the tap of water, what do you see? You see the water, yes or no? Yes. This form of water is called liquid. This form of water is called liquid. This form of water is called liquid. So, the first form of water is called liquid. 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 Liquid like water. 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 Super. But when you put this water in the freezer, it will be ice, yes or no? Yes. So, ice, it's a solid form of water. Ice, it's a solid form of water. Ice, it's a solid form of water. So, the second form of water is called solid. The second form of water is called solid. The second form of water is called solid. Solid like ice. Solid like ice. Solid like ice. Solid like ice. But liquid like water. Liquid like water. Liquid like water. Solid like ice. Solid like ice. Solid like ice. Super. But when we put the water inside the kettle to make the tea, what do you see? You see something. It's called vapor or steam. 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 Vapor or steam, it's a gas form of water. Gas form of water. Gas form of water. So, the third form of water is called gas. The third form of water is called gas. The third form of water is called gas. Gas like vapor or steam. Gas like vapor or steam. Gas like vapor or steam. So, Junior 2, we have how many forms of water? 3. We have how many forms of water? 3. Liquid, solid, gas. Liquid, solid, gas. Liquid, solid, gas. Liquid, solid, gas. Liquid like water. Liquid like water. Solid like ice. Solid like ice. Solid like ice. Gas like vapor or steam. Vapor or steam. Vapor or steam. Super. Now I will talk about the changes of water. We have 4 changes. We have 4 changes. Junior 2, now I will ask you, if we have a cup of ice and lift it on the table, what do you see? Ice will be water, yes or no? Yes. So, when we change from ice to liquid, we make heating. We make heating. Solid to liquid by 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 heating. Or ice to water by heating. Ice to water by heating. Ice, it's a form of solid, and water, it's a form of liquid. So, when we make a change from solid to liquid, we make heating. We make heating. Solid to liquid by 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 heating. Super. But when we put a cup of water in the freezer, it will be ice. So we make the change from water to ice by heating? No, by cooling, by cooling, by cooling. Water to ice by cooling. Water to ice by cooling. Water is a form of liquid. Ice is a form of solid. So liquid to solid by cooling. 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 Water to ice by cooling. Water to ice by cooling. But solid to liquid by heating. Solid to liquid by heating. Liquid to solid by cooling. Liquid to solid by cooling. Super. But when we make a tea, we put water inside the kettle, yes or no? Yes. And we see something, it's called vapor, yes or no? Yes. So when we make a change from liquid like water to gas like vapor, we make heating or cooling? Heating. We make heating or cooling? Heating. So liquid to gas by heating. 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 Or water to vapor by heating. Water to vapor by heating. Water to vapor by heating. Let's start from beginning. Solid to liquid by heating. Solid to liquid by heating. Solid to liquid by heating. Ice to water by heating. Ice to water by heating. Liquid to solid by cooling. Liquid to solid by cooling. Or water to ice by cooling. Water to ice by cooling. Liquid to gas by heating. Liquid to gas by heating. Liquid to gas by heating. Or water to vapor by heating. Water to vapor by heating. The last one, when you take a shower, you see some droplets of water on the mirror. Yes or no? Yes. These droplets of water make the change from gas to liquid. Gas to liquid. Gas to liquid. So, gas to liquid by cooling. 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 Or from vapor to water by cooling. Vapor to water by cooling. Vapor to water by cooling. Super. So we have 40 changes. We have 40 changes. Number 1. From solid to liquid by heating or cooling? Heating. From ice, it's a solid. And water, it's a liquid. When we make a change from ice to water, we make heating or cooling? Heating. But when we make a change from water into ice, we make heating or cooling? Cooling. But when we make a change from water to vapor, we make heating or cooling? Heating. And the last one, when we make a change from gas to liquid, from vapor to water, we make cooling or heating? Cooling. Cooling or heating? Cooling. Super. Junior 2, we have how many forms of water? 3. Liquid, solid, gas. Liquid, solid, gas. Liquid, solid, gas. Liquid like water. Solid like ice. Gas like vapor or steam. Vapor or steam. Super. Now we solve exercise in the main booklet. Number 1, ice. Which one ice? Yes. Ice. Liquid or gas or solid? Solid. Number 2, water. Which one water? The last one. Water, liquid or gas or solid? Liquid. Vapor. Which one vapor? Yes, the first one. Vapor, liquid or gas or solid? Gas. Super. Number 2, choose the correct answer. Number 1, liquid changes into solid by heating or cooling? Cooling. Number 2, gas changes into liquid by heating or cooling? Cooling. Number 3, liquid changes into gas by heating or cooling? Heating. Number 4, solid changes into liquid by heating or cooling? Heating. Super. Put right or wrong. Number 1, water it changes into ice by heating? No. Number 2, vapor it changes into water by cooling? Right. Ice it changes into water by heating? Yes. Number 4, water it changes into vapor by cooling? No. Super, Junior 2. We have homework, weekend sheet 9.